My name's Howard Lamb, and I'm the founder of Sunergy Systems. And also just today, I had solar installed on the house with the Franklin Energy Storage System. So exciting for my family and I. We have three values. The first one is to provide a world-class experience for our customers. We want our customers to have the best experience possible, to have the best design, the best quality equipment, and the best workmanship that goes into it. Our second one is that we provide meaningful careers for our employees. But then the one that's dearest for me is that we provide sustainable energy solutions. That's what this company is built on. That's where the dream came from, is providing sustainable energy solutions so that we can help protect the planet. We produced our first 2 kilowatt hours of solar energy with our system that just got installed today. And we got the Sunergy crew here. We're really glad that we chose Sunergy Systems to make our solar dreams come true.